Aweh Millionaire, it's me, and today's the 11th of May 2020. The trade of the day is USDZAR. I'm long USDZAR, and it's the Monday after NFP. Get the aftermath of NFP, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to trade after the NFP is released. Okay, how to trade after NFP, so that you're not like an amateur trader that blows their account on NFP and then you take a break for the week and then you miss out on easy opportunities, but rather catch NFP trades and catch them after NFP as well, because that's what smart traders do. We trade like the smart money and we just follow the smart money. And if you want to know how to be a smart trader, if you want to know how to become a more consistent and profitable trader and learn the advanced professional tips of how to do so, then start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on anything. But as always, trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman.
So with this one, I'm going to go back to the 4-hour time frame so we can identify our supply and demand levels. Again, when we trade the news, we are trading with the smart money, and what we do is we trade with supply and demand and forex volume. So what we have over here, okay, is we have a supply level over here, supply level number 1, and we have a supply level over here, supply level number 2. Now supply level number 1 and supply level number 2, supply level number 1 and demand level number 1, I did a pre-analysis of these levels on my NFP live stream. So if you haven't seen the live stream, if you haven't caught up on it, click on the eye on the right hand side so you can catch up with it and you see exactly how I identified these levels. But we had supply level number 1, demand level number 1. Okay, now before I get into the other levels, let's go and look at exactly what happened on Friday when NFP was released. Okay, so on Friday when NFP was released, I already did the pre-analysis of exactly what I was thinking and what I wanted to do. Again, if you want to know exactly what my analysis was at that time, watch the live stream. But what we had is, after the news was released, is we had price blast through the demand level number 1. So price blasted through the demand level number 1. Now when price blasts through or breaks through a supply level or a demand level, then what you want to do is you want to identify the next level of interest, the next supply level or the next demand level that price is going to go and test. So that's exactly what I did. So back to the 4-hour time frame so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is where this demand level number 2 and demand level number 3 came into play. Initially it was in terms of identification. If you have the free video training, then you'll know what I'm talking about in terms of identifying it using FX volume. This was the level, okay, but there was another additional level, but I'm going to show you exactly how that came to play. So that's the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame so that for those of you that have the free video training can see exactly how I identified demand level number 2 and demand level number 3, okay, which is what actually set up the trade for today. So there we go, FX volume, demand level number 2, and already we saw another clue over there, another high volume. So boom, that is where I added the next other demand level. So basically we have demand level number 2, demand level number 3, okay, which is what is super important for what is happening today. Okay, so price blasted through the initial demand level which we identified before the NFP was released, okay, and continued to go down to do what? Okay, to do what? This today, the 11th of May, to come and test the second demand level, okay, the demand level number 2. Okay, we have demand level number 3 over there, but that's not the level of interest as yet right now. Okay, the level of interest is demand level number 2, and it came and tested the demand level number 2 with perfection. And what do I mean perfection? Okay, already you know what I mean perfection. I mean it came and tested the level with high volume. Okay, when price tests a demand level with high volume or a supply level with high volume, then this is a high probability trade. So price tested the demand level with high volume. That is our confirmation to enter for the buy. Okay, and again, when we enter the buy, most recent fractal high, most recent fractal low is what we use to plot our entry as well as our stop loss. Okay, our entry and our stop loss. Okay, I kind of missed the entry over here by this bar, but I jumped in on the trade. Okay, entered live, pulled the trigger on the buy because again it was like a high probability trade, perfect trade, testing the demand level with high volume. And again, once you place the trade, once you place your entry, once you place your stop loss, once you place your targets, then you let the banks do the rest. And as you can see, skibbity pap, another day, another dollar. This is how you trade after NFP is released, like a smart trader, by trading with supply and demand and volume. USDZAR, long, another day, another dollar. Trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money.
Aweh Millionaire, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
Batman, Batman, Batman.